Everyone. As of the making of this video in May of 2026, the US has 5 living presidents. The current president, Donald Trump, and 4 former presidents, Bill Clinton, George W. Bush, Barack Obama, and Joe Biden. Had there been times when there were more than 5 living presidents? Was there a time when there's only one living president? Answers: yes and yes. There have been times when there were 6 living presidents. 1 active and 5 former. The first was after Abraham Lincoln's inauguration, when Van Buren, Tyler, Fillmore, Pierce, and Buchanan were all alive. The second was after Bill Clinton's inauguration, when Nixon, Ford, Carter, Reagan, and George H.W. Bush were all alive. There were 6 again when George W. Bush was inaugurated, and before Reagan's death, when Trump was inaugurated the first time, there were 6 living presidents when Carter, H.W. Bush, Clinton, W.W. Bush, and Obama were alive. George H.W. Bush died in November 2018, but we had 6 again when Biden was inaugurated. In the other direction, there were 6 times when the then president was the only living president. The first 2 examples you could consider cheats: George Washington's presidency and John Adams, when John Adams was president after George Washington's death. It happened again during the presidencies of Ulysses S. Grant and Andrew Johnson's death, Theodore Roosevelt after Grover Cleveland's death, Herbert Hoover after Calvin Coolidge's death, and Richard Nixon after Lyndon Johnson's death, ignoring George Washington's presidency, the longest time in which there was only one living president was between the death of Andrew Johnson in July of 1875 through the end of Grant's term in March 1877. Bye.